Hey guys, welcome to TechToon channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create categories in Discord. So in this case, you have to log into your Discord first. After login, choose one server from here, like this server I'm choosing. Then you can see on top of name of your server, click on this or click on this drag down menu, and you'll find here server settings. Sorry, not server settings, but create category. This one, sorry, not server settings. Go to create category and you'll find here your category is ready to be created. Write your category name, my new category. Okay, if you want your category to be private, just toggle on this and click on next and just choose the role and create category. Okay, so guys, this is how you can create categories in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.